Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the cuisine of the Nuer tribe, a fascinating culture known for their unique and delicious foods. The Nuer people are known for their love of beef, goat, and cow's milk, which are staples in their diet. But that's not all, they also enjoy fresh mangoes for a sweet treat. Now, let's talk about the three forms of sorghum that the Nuer tribe enjoys. First up is kap, which is finely ground, boiled until it forms balls. Then there's walwal, a porridge-like dish that's lightly balled and cooked into a solid food. Finally, we have injera or idit, a large and tasty flatbread that has its own unique recipe and history in this region. So there you have it, a brief overview of the typical foods eaten by the Nuer tribe. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.